Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Pujan. I'm not Pujan, but it's my father. So I'm from the Philippines, and I got my monkey toy. I got the blue one because there's no, the brown one, and I got my ukulele. It's up there. So my second video is I'm learning to how to ukulele because I don't know how to ukulele, and I'm just gonna show it here. So like that. Oh! It almost hit me.
Yeah.
Bro.
What?
This is my brother. So this is just for the first video. I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow.